Ooh, plenty of durian trees. Tito Mens, a family friend and owner of Laura Farm, will give us a farm tour. We'll check out his sophisticated fruit trees.
Pag lumaki na yan, yung mga sanga niyan, bababa na. So, pwede mong kunin.
Oo nga, no? Kasi
Mabigat.
mabigat eh.
Oo, marami na rin ako.
Welcome to Laura Farm! Come on guys, let's explore the farm. This is an acerola tree. Fun fact, acerola is similar to a cherry and is a deep red color when ripe. It is rich in vitamin C. One acerola fruit is equivalent to 20 oranges vitamin C content. Tito Mens also grows dragon fruit trees. Do you know why it's called dragon fruit? Because the branch looks like the back of the dragon.
Actually, it's cactus family.
Fun fact, dragon fruit plant is a large climbing cactus plant that grows tall, thick, succulent-like branches and produces vivid red or yellow fruit. The fruit of a dragon fruit plant is dense, juicy, and sweet, great for eating raw, chopping up to include in salads, or blending for smoothies or ice cream. According to Tito Mens, the farm is 3 hectares, but the planted location of the orchard is only 2 hectares.
Durian.
Durian.
Okay? Planting materials, getting ready for grafting. Getting ready for grafting. This one is a mango na nagkamali ng sayon. Ang nailagay na sayon yung sa maliliit na bunga. Ayaw ko yun. So we are using the tree, okay, to grow the big mango. See, it's being attached here.
I see.
We are re-engineering the tree. I want to cut this kasi sayang yung root system. So I want to utilize the tree to grow the better quality.
Mango.
Okay? Kaya nakadikit na yan, nakadikit na. And then the other one naman, kinakalbo siya as we move forward. So once kinakalbo mo siya, papalakihin niya to.
So that's how we re-engineer a tree.
Malang nahulong. Kasi first bunga. You want to see a big mango bunga?
Itong binigay
So
mo.
that's durian. This is pomelo. And those are mango.
Wow, so interesting! A 3-year-old mango tree has a big fruit. The fruit is covered with plastic so that the fruit flies won't eat it. Wow, the mango's so big. It's
That's
as
3
big as
years
my face.
That variety is called Golden Queen from. So the best way to clone is through sanga. This one, grafted to planting material. When it grows big, iyan din ang bunga. The same, exactly the same as the mother.
Wow, so that's a durian tree.
Montong variety.
Whoa, so amazing. So many durian.
Okay, yan yun. We want to re-engineer the tree. Okay, so we planted this. Okay? Later, we will attach it here. This one we will let grow. That one we remove.
Wow, that's so interesting.
You are not supposed to stay under a durian tree at this time kasi nahuhulog na yung mga magulang. Okay, this one, wala. Naputol.
Fun fact, durian is a tropical fruit that grows in countries in Southeast Asia. It has a spiky outer shell and a smelly flesh that can vary in color.
Sonnet, this is
Mayroon na siyang ano.
Thailand variety. Na yung bunga niya.
So plenty of bunga.
Now is the time it flowered and then nag-start.
Fun fact! The lanzones is a slender and fairly tall tree. The flower buds are numerous and are widely distributed. The fruits are borne in loose or compact bunches, with each bunch carrying 5 to 25 or more fruits. The skin, which is green when the fruit is immature and which turns brownish yellow as the fruit ripens.
Nag-uumpisa na silang lumaki. Okay, prutas na to. Oh. Kasi nakabukad na. Ang flower, ganyan itsura. Yan, flower. Pero ito, ano na yan, butil na. Hey, can you imagine this? Ha? Pag...
This coming September is the target harvest of these lanzones. I can't wait for September! Fun fact! Farming is one of Tito Man's hobbies. He said when he encountered a fruit that his family enjoyed eating, he planted the seed of that fruit in his farm. He only sells durian and pomelo produce, and the rest is for personal consumption.
Grapefruit.
A grapefruit tree, but it doesn't have a fruit yet.
Ang variety, Texas Red. Hindi pa bumubunga ang...
Tito Mans also grows plenty of pomelo trees. Fun fact, pomelo is shaped like a teardrop and has a green or yellow flesh and a thick pale rind. It can grow to the size of a melon or larger. Pomelo tastes similar to grapefruit, but it's sweeter. It contains several vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that make it a healthy addition to your diet. Fruits begin to ripen on trees around December. Ooh, more UP Gold variant durian trees here.
Ito yung sinasabi ko na when it is mature, ayan na, lumalalim. Lalim na yan, mahuhulog na yan.
Guys, do you know that Laura Farm is named after Tito Man's mom? We're gonna see more of Laura Farm's sophisticated fruit trees. This is a cherry moya tree. Fun fact, cherry moya is a green, cone-shaped fruit with leathery skin and creamy sweet flesh. It looks like a big attis but has fewer seeds.
Pag lumalaki pa ng gusto, no?
Malalaki, oh. UP Gold.
This is a lychee tree, but it doesn't have a fruit yet. But someday it will. For now, let's wait. Ooh, limes! Fun fact, a lime is a citrus fruit which is typically round and green in color. Limes are a rich source of vitamin C, are sour, and are often used to accent the flavors of foods and beverages. They are grown all year round. Oh, so that's a date palm tree. Fun fact, date palms are unique in that they are either a male tree or female tree. The male trees produce pollen and the female trees produce flowers. Unfortunately, birds or bees are not attracted to the flowers, so the females have to be hand pollinated.
Okay,
Tito
how to
Mans
open
is
a
gonna
durian.
teach us how to open a durian.
Before opening the durian, look at the bottom. Okay? Look at the bottom. There's a line, a star.
Oh!
That's where you will cut along the line. Okay? Okay, I'll show you. Okay, so that's the line, okay? Can you see that line? There?
Yeah, I can
And
see
that
it.
one, and then that one. Okay, so we open along the line. Okay, so that's Next naman. Yes.
It's not easy to open a durian. Ooh, that durian is so smelly.
That's the durian.
Durian is my papa's favorite. So sweet and creamy, UP Gold variant. The dragon fruit in Laura Farm has white flesh and sweet. Thank you, Tito Mensch, for taking us around your farm. Seeing different kinds of fruit trees for the first time and learning about tree re-engineering is an amazing educational experience for me.